going to talk of epidemiology, poison dart frog of Colombia, the current crazy fishing amphibian in Colombia and worldwide, with extinction rate ever recorded and the energy and the rate numbers of trees. Habitat fragmentation and loss, invasive species, pollution, disease, overfishing has attracted interest by some government agencies, universities, education institutions, ONGs, general research, protection, and some conservation strategies in the group very important for ecosystem dynamics, but little made visible by the Colombian community. Aware of the problem, Natural Habitat Foundation brings ambitious rates, awareness and protection on the youth from the forest. Alobates femoralis. This species is distributed throughout the Amazon basin, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, French Guiana, Peru, and Suriname. It is observed on the day between littoral routes in wet areas near small rivers in tropical lowland forests, or singing to protect their territory and attract females to their shelters, feeding on a variety of small prey such as ants and termites. Currently, their population are declining by scarce mining and oil exploitation in the Amazon.
Your lipstick stains on the front lobe of my
America tribitata. Species of diurnal and terrestrial amphibian, their natural habitat is the forests of the Amazon, jungle humidity. In Colombia are in the departments of Amazonas, Caquetá, and Putumayo. Usually this species is usually found under palm leaves, branches and between roots, from which use some of courtship and territorial defense. The male parental pair mates transporting of these 22 tadpoles on its back, which is then deposited in bromeliads or small water reservoirs.
Minutus, the near Indian species of amphibian and found in Colombia and Panama. Its national habitat is conserved because it has a green and population change in their environs. Individuals develop. Their behavior little is not about their life history and etymology is maintained is the chain of use land from racing or illicit cross.
Your lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side.
History. This species individuals today Colombia Pacific in the department of Antioquia, Chocó of Valle del Cauca is the tropical rainforest. In the forest is its ace to observe in the day for its extreme olivifer coloration can range from red, orange, white, and blue. Her skin is polarized with poison you head from foot. Spine big in category of low concern their population decline by illegal traffic. Phyllobates terribilis. Amphibian species individuals to the Pacific coast of Colombia habitat in the tropical rainforest on the department of Cauca and Valle del Cauca. Is the most possible from in the world due to the toxin the year it has batricol. Killer endangered due to this distribute habitat degradation and illegal population in the international market. Were the 5 species of poison frog of Colombia. We help with their conservation and protection to avoid change in the ecosystem. They can be. Thank you so much.
Your lips